Welcome to Galaxy RC Racing. From deep dive car builds to race day vlogs, we're covering it all today. To help us stay on the road and keep improving our YouTube content, consider hitting our Buy Me a Coffee digital tip jar. Every bit of support helps us buy the gear needed to bring you closer to the action and the engineering behind it. Hit the link in the description to fuel the next project. Thanks for watching, and let's get into the video.
Marshal, please pay attention to your corners, not the race. Drivers, keep it clean, through and throughout, Tony, roll it out. Keep clean, race to go, race to go.
Really slick.
Yeah, it is.
The hell was that?
Back, one back. Clear.
Oh, body rub.
Yeah, I guess so.
As we get this race off and rolling, just a reminder, top three of the A's will podium. Future champs and novice, or at least the future champs, we will take a picture of all drivers, regardless if they made podium or not. Watch the two, watch the two. Clear. One down, three to go. Tony, we have not changed position from which we have. Actually, we have Sharks and Robbie. Your 4 and 5 have switched places there. Red, y'all are still in your 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. 7 out of Tony for the hot one. 34, 402.
6'7", baby. Come on, 6'6", 6'6". I want that 6'6".
403, he's got 3 on me. 32-404, he's got 4 on the Battle Fleet Sharks and to take over last place. Your leader right now is the red and white chicken pit. To go halfway there. If you are going to make things happen, this is where you're going to do it. And he looks like he has made some things happen. He's made his way to the 2. John in the 3. They're battling by 3 tenths. On the track, that looks like that's behind Sharks. You got a battle behind you. Just a little bit of a way. This is just a heads up. It's the black, red, and white 55. And John's orange and blue. I believe that was 01. Coming down the back straight now, that's your battle for a podium tonight. Nice and steady Sharks, nice and steady Sharks. Up here in the middle of that battle, in the middle of the battle, take you. That's your leader behind you, just a heads up. 1 minute left. And nice and steady, Tony. That is your son in front of you that is battling for a podium position.
I'm not in a hurry.
Fair enough.
Get him.
45 seconds left. No slingshotting.
Slingshot engaged.
I watched that movie once, maybe twice.
God, it's hard to go slower. It wants to keep spinning out. Get him, John. Come on, Johnny boy. Oh!
Battle, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Oh!
I'm gonna lose this now.
So you're third.
That's gonna let Heath have John White, excuse me, that's gonna have John White. In the 3, he's in the 2, still battling by 1.5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tony White done. Keith Farmer done. John White done. And your Mudboss they made tonight is Tony White, Keith Farmer, and John White.
That's a wrap from the track. If you like the video, subscribe and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. For those who want to join our pit crew and support what we do, head over to our Buy Me a Coffee page. It's a digital tip jar that helps us improve the content for everyone in the community. Hit the link in the description to help us out. Thanks for the support and keep on racing.